And that is actually the basis behind sarcoidosis. In other words, sarcoidosis is an auto intoxication of the cells. The cells in your body are literally bathing and drowning and smothered in its own toxic waste. So imagine your body, and it's been hijacked with parasites, with fungi, with candida, with all of these type of microbes just drowning the body out. All of your eliminatory pathways are blocked. Think of a highway, right? Let's say you live in the busiest area of the world. You live in New York, you live in California, and think of every highway is super blocked. Cars are backed up for miles. There is no way in, there is no way out. That is your body. Cars backed up for miles. No in, no out. So now you have no way to get these toxins out. So what happens? They begin to quadruple. And then the good cells that are trying so hard to fight for you, they become outnumbered in certain areas of your body.